Hello all, today in this video I'm going to make a demo for XGB regression algorithm. So previously with the same data set we have worked with some other algorithms, machine learning algorithms, regression algorithms. So in the end we will also make a comparison by making which algorithm is the best when among all the algorithms which we have made previously and now on. So for that initially we are declaring the libraries and then calling our data set. This data set I downloaded from Kaggle. So this is the features in the data set. Here the yield variable we will be choosing as the y variable, and all others features or variables will be chosen as the x variable. Then we are making the pre-processing by using the label encoder function, and also we are making a heat map by using the confusion matrix. So the heat map of the data set is now generated, you can see over here. And also we are grouping the variables like crop, production and area within this data set within a separate table. Here you can just notice that you are getting more than 50 variable 50 that is crop fields. Here you can notice then we are declaring the x variable and y variable. As I said here, in the x variable we are choosing all the variables other than yield variable, and in the y variable we are choosing only the yield variable, and we are getting the dummies in the x variable. Then we are making the train, test and split function to split the data set by into x train, x test, y train and y test, and the test sites we are choosing as 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing and the remaining 80% will be taken for training. So in the previous videos you would have noticed that we have made a linear regression model, and its training accuracy is 83.94, which is testing accuracy is 85.03. Then we have made a decision tree algorithm which training accuracy is 100 and testing accuracy is 93.82. Random forest is the next algorithm we have done, regression algorithm. Why we are going to regression algorithm? Because our data set is having both categorical and text values, numerical values. So regression algorithm will be better to work with both categorical and numerical values. So only we have chosen this regression algorithm other than classification algorithm. The random forest training accuracy is 99.44 and the random forest testing accuracy is 95.29. Previously we have then worked with the gradient boost algorithm which training accuracy is 99.79 and the gradient boost testing accuracy is 97.01. Now we are going to work with XGboost. For that initially we are importing the library for the XGboost regressor, and then we are calling our XGB regressor, and then training our data set by using the fit function and the xtrain and ytrain variables, and then testing our data set by using the predict variable and also the xtest function. And then we are declaring the scores like accuracy score, mean square error and also R2 square, and then displaying the training accuracy of XGB model which is 100 and testing accuracy of XGB model which is 97.01. Then we are getting the results. We have to make the results comparison. For that we are making a model loop. Here we have declared all the models which we are using. The models which we are used to include the linear regression, decision tree, random forest, gradient boost and XGboost, and then we are declaring a for loop. Within the for loop we are calling the fit function, predict function, accuracy, mean square error, R2 square and R2 score, and also we are going to display the accuracy of each model to display within this single line. Here you can notice that every model accuracy is displayed over here, and then we are going to display a table. In the table we are going to highlight the higher model with green color and the lower model which is with less accuracy as the red color. Here you can notice among the models which we have done, linear regression is showing the less accuracy and the gradient boost is having the highest accuracy. So this is the details regarding the journal. This is the demo of the algorithm which we have made, and when compared to this Gradient boost, the next model which comes after gradient boost is XGboost, and then random forest takes the place, and then decision tree, and finally a linear regression. In the next video we will be working with bagging regression. So this is the detail, with the same data set, and we will also make a comparison of which model will provide the better results among the models which we have used, and also we will make a table like this. So if you are interested in knowing some other demo video means, please let us know in the comment box. So if we are aware of it means, we will definitely make a video regarding it. Thank you.